Hey everyone. I know it's been a while. It's been 3 years since I uploaded my last video. I'm really excited to be back, but I'm nervous. I've had this video already edited and everything for a week now, but I've been too nervous to do the voiceover, but I'm doing it right now. But I've decided finally to start sharing again, and then my next video I'll update you guys on the things I've done. It's not much, but it does look a little different, but I'll post some pictures of the rooms of what it looked like before, and then I'll do what it looks like now. I'll do a walkthrough, and I'll just kind of explain to you guys what I'm going to be doing and get you guys caught back up. But yep, I'm just excited to be back.